Welcome back everyone to my daily sustainable bamboo workshop. Today I am happy to show you how we can use these tubes of bamboo to turn them to a smart and quick solution to use to decorate your lighting theme in style. So watch closely as I will explain the process step by step, and you will get to see at the end of this video the amazing result after 2 hours of creative craft. I started with cutting the bamboo tubes after choosing the suitable inner size that barely fits the bulb size. I used the 12-inch disc saw while considering all safety standards. Then the next step is to clean the edges using the angle grinder with sand fan disc. Now it's time to make some pattern crafts. I used a floral simple theme and the same type of disc, but an older one to burn a little while engraving the bamboo inner layers. Now at this point, I preferred to use zero colors or paintings and allowed the burning flame do the natural brown color look. As you see, it makes magic with the engravings. I made sure not to overburn it, and the thickness is the most important aspect here to consider while dealing with fire. Now this is how they look after water wash. The easiest way to install, I just needed to remove the bulb, put the bamboo, then the bulb back in again. Actually, it's not just economical in making, but it is one smart and simple way to decorate your normal bulbs if you are not willing to spend much on ceiling lighting or in a temporary rental. Stay case that you need something easy to install or uninstall yourself. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit like and subscribe for more videos like this and more to inspire.